What's up, everybody? Just letting the stream fire up. Oh no. There we go. Give it a minute. How loud is the music? I don't want it to be too loud. What's up? How loud is the music? I'm just testing out the music here. What's going on, guys? Yo, is it too loud, or is the music too loud? What's going on, Ryan? I wanted to add some music to my stream today. We're just gonna loop this song on repeat. Too loud? Okay. I'll just turn it off. What's up with crypto? There we go. I turned the music off. How's everybody today? What's up, guys? So I've got a couple articles for you guys. Add some flamingosis. All right. We're going to be talking about interest rates today as we have... What's up, Andrew? We're going to be talking about interest rates today as we've got the Fed meeting tomorrow, and it's going to be a big deal for the markets. Down, down, down. I don't know what's up with that. I can't get the good beats. Need something upbeat in these markets. Here, we'll try it one more time, guys. We'll try it one more time. Just to see. Maybe I can turn the music down on my computer. That. Big up. That. Let me see what it sounds like. No, it's too loud. Sorry, guys, I can't do this. Oops. All right, so we're going to be talking about interest rates. I can't see my stream. All right, here we go. Trump pressures Fed before meeting. We're going to read this article in about 2 seconds. We'll just let a few more people join. Trump pressures Fed. That's too loud. Turn that off. Okay. There we go. Give me 2 seconds, guys, and we'll get right into this article. How's everybody doing this morning? Okay. Hit that like button if you just joined the stream. I appreciate it. Hit that like button. Okay. So the first article I wanted to talk about was Trump pressures Fed before meeting. And then we'll take a look at some cannabis stocks. We'll talk about some stocks, whatever you guys want to talk about. So, U.S. President Donald Trump on Tuesday further sought to pressure the Federal Reserve Chairman, Reserve, as the central bank prepared to start its two-day policy meeting, warning the Fed's board not to make another mistake ahead of expected interest rate hike. The Federal Open Market Committee is expected to raise interest rates for the fourth time during its two-day meeting on interest rate policy that is due to start later on Tuesday. The Fed, which has been raising interest rates in 25 basis point increments since December, has promised to raise rates gradually towards a neutral setting to keep the economy from overheating. So I think it's a joke, though, now. Overheating, we're not even... Trump, who made the economy a key part of his political platform, has repeatedly criticized the Fed and its chairman, Jerome Powell. Don't let the market become any more illiquid than it already is, and stop with the 50 Bs. Feel the market. Don't just go by meaningless numbers. Good luck, Trump wrote. And I totally agree with that. It's a very short article. Yeah, where's the bottom? Who knows? No, it's so true, though, guys. So what do you guys think about interest rates? I think right now the Fed's they've totally lost sense of what's going on. I'm not... Just got a news article here. Aurora Cannabis launches. Here, we just got a news article from Seeking Alpha. Anyways, we'll get into the second article too. I want to bring this to attention. So, Wall Street rallies ahead of Fed meeting. Wall Street opened higher Tuesday as the market bounced back some from a sell-off in the last session and investors turned their focus to the Federal Reserve's policy meeting. We'll take a look at the markets in about a few seconds, with the Fed expected to deliver its fourth rate hike this year at the conclusion of its two-day meeting Wednesday. Future market movers will be driven by the FOMC guidance on monetary policy next year. So I really do think that the market or the Fed is going to give a dovish tone on rates. I just don't see how they can be hawkish. Just reading comments. I don't see how they can be hawkish on rates. It just doesn't make sense right now. There's a lack of confidence in any upward move, and we need something tangible to bring confidence into the market. Managing Director at New Vines Capital LLC in Bernardsville, New Jersey. Technology stocks were among the top gainers. The S&P 500 IT index gaining 1%. Amazon rose 1%, so the FANGs are up. So it's not much of a bounce. We're going to check in and see what's going on for some of the cannabis stocks. Tilray is getting a bounce, but Farm Bill will help a lot. Don't know if that's the key yet. Yeah, not too sure. We'll see. So anyways, guys, we've got Tilray leading the show up 9.5% to 72.16, but the stock declined so much recently that, I mean, it's just a minor bounce. Hemp is a great buy. Anybody else have future farms? Farm Bill is a part of it all. We're dealing with a 90-day trade war. USA investors scared to pull out. Yep, MYM is up 3%. 5% now. Aphria is up 766, up 4.66%. So we've got New Strike brands up, Hexo up, Kronos, FSD Pharma, stocks in the red, Heritage Cannabis, American. American has been on a terrible decline recently. Golden Leaf Holdings down to 12 cents. Jeez. NBev is another stock. Why is Aphria performing better than Aurora right now? What do you think about Hemp Inc? We'll take a look at that in a second. The US is bringing the market down. Yeah. So we're going to take a look at NBev, American, a couple other stocks. I feel like Aphria is performing a little bit better because keep this channel going. Thanks, Steve. So back to the discussion on Aphria. Yeah, Namaste is super low. So I mean, Citron Research put a $10 price target on Aphria. I think that those short allegations are a very small percentage of their business, but Aphria is yet to issue a very solid response to that. It's going to be interesting to see. I think Aphria is definitely... What's up, Max? What's up? What's up? Namaste has a cash grab for insiders. How's the... It's not too bad today, Max. It's not... I know why Citron did that $10 target. Anybody know? Post up a link if you do know. What's up, Jim? Jim, are you new to the channel? I haven't seen you here before. ACB is so disappointing. No tissues today. I know we don't really need our tissues because we used them all yesterday. Welcome, Jim. What's up, Angel? So anyways, I think if the market finds a bottom, Aphria will head back up. I think this stock's just oversold and overshorted. So anyways, getting back into things here, I wanted to take a quick look at American because this is one stock that's been tanking. We only have a small position in it. And the stock has just completely tanked. If anyone has any information on Wayland Group, feel free to let me know. I'm just going to pull up this stream on my phone so I can do both at the same time. We can take a look at stuff. All right, guys. So, 82 people in the room. I appreciate everybody who's in here, and hit that like button if you haven't hit the like button already to keep this stream going, and we will get into some more interesting stuff. Yes, news news on VIP Trader. Yes. So we will be dropping the price today a little bit for you guys. It will be under 20 bucks. Hit it. Hit it. TVID. All right. So a subscriber of mine, Steven, today, he brought to my attention that NBEV was trading like crazy today so far. Does anybody own NBEV, or does anybody like NBEV? This is one stock I wanted to talk about because it's been on a crazy run. We've got the naughty button out here, don't worry. Naughty button's right here.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
Just for you, DG Slots. T-God at 270. Wow. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to pull up the 1-year chart for NBEV. It's too late for the Christmas rally for ACB. Hey, Aaron Mizzou, say love, love, NBEV. My average on T-God is 337. I think when we look back a while from now, having T-God at 337 won't be that bad. Maxed out. Yes, I will be doing shows over the holiday season. I will definitely be doing shows over the holiday break. Departures Capital barely ever sleeps. So, of course we're going to be doing shows. Don't worry, guys. I got a lot of stuff planned for the holiday season. I'll be heading to... Edward Sanchez, what up? What up? So, I'll be heading to St. John's in Antigua and Barbuda, but we'll be doing shows every single day. Don't worry, guys. Departures Capital, even if we take a holiday, we don't take a holiday because we take you guys with us. Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to read these. What do you think about FFRMF? I'll have to take a look at that. I'll add that to the list. Mel, big time in it. P is here to say all the cannabis stocks are a scam. You guys are funny. Okay, so let's take a look at some more companies. What companies do you guys want me to take a look at? Also, I wanted to take a look at the FANG stocks and the markets just to see what's going on. So we've got Apple, can barely catch a bounce, up 0.9%. Facebook leading the show, today up 2.6%. Hello from Scandinavia. Finally caught one of your live streams. Yes, sir. What's up, Dennis? I love to see other countries tuning into this stream. So, anyways, for anybody new to the stream, I just read an article about Trump heavily pressuring the Fed about making another mistake about raising interest rates. So, I'll read it one more time, just for anybody new to the stream. Trump pressures Fed before meeting, warns against another mistake. U.S. President Donald Trump on Tuesday further sought to pressure the Federal Reserve as central bank prepared for its two-day policy meeting, warning the Fed's board not to make yet another mistake ahead of expected interest rate hike. First of all, great channel, Aaron. Yo, what's up, Clay Say? What's up? So I have a question for you guys. What do you think about the Fed meeting tomorrow? Because it's going to be big news for the markets. And it's really gonna, I feel like it's gonna drive the markets for the next couple weeks, because eventually the news is gonna be pretty light, especially after the interest rate meeting. I feel like the markets have been expecting, you know, they've been trying to figure out a direction in terms of the interest rate hike. So we'll see what happens. Fed will raise it. He's an idiot. Agreed. What's up, ACB shareholder too? So nice to follow and get the news. He'll do it just to piss off Trump. Hey Aaron, did you see the article I sent you email? I thought sent you about ACB. I believe so, but we need the meeting in China to behave to pass the farm bill. Yes, we do. Post it in the group. Post it in the group. I'll read it right now. We need the meeting in China. Yeah. Okay, so feel free to post articles in the stream, and I will take a look at them. I hope the farm bill is signed this week. I like your show a lot more than Rich's. Well, thanks, but me and Rich work together a lot, and I support my fellow YouTubers. So I appreciate it if you guys like my channel better than someone else's channel, but please support all of our channels because we're all trying to be part of the cannabis industry, you know, the investing community, and I support all my fellow YouTubers. Here we go. So I'll show this. Thank you for sharing that. On a good note, real estate house prices are up 79% in my area in 4 years. Cha-ching. Hello, Muskoka. Yes, Max, you've been talking about that. Congratulations. Anybody in Ontario right now, in terms of real estate prices, is still doing pretty darn good. Let's take a look at this article. Why Aurora Cannabis? Oh, yes. This is one that me and Investing Hustler, we actually are going to take a look at. I've got a collab ready to drop about this. So let's go away. Seeking Alpha. Market vastly underestimated the long-term potential of Aurora Cannabis. Market yawns at huge deal as it did with ICC Labs. The market is wrong. Not for sale. Will command much higher price in the future. Yeah, this is a fantastic article. 7-page article. Actually, I'm going to be discussing this article with Investing Hustler. Gonna walk away with close to 300K profit. Yes, sir. I'm just outside the Toronto area, and real estate prices in the last, let's say, in the last 6 years have almost doubled. So let's hope that bubble, let's hope it's not a bubble, and let's hope that we just hold on to those gains. It's not an ACV-like scenario, but I feel like real estate's a little more stable. I kissed my 50,000 in the pot stocks goodbye for a year. Don't want to look at my portfolio. Yes, of course. Yes, I did take a look at it, Ryan, and I appreciate you sending me that. We'll be discussing it a little further in depth, me and Investing Hustler, but I do feel like it's a great article. There was a lot of good news put out about Aurora Cannabis recently, and there was even a really supportive article put out by the Motley Fool about Aurora Cannabis, which they're never super bullish on Aurora, and it's nice to see them finally changing their outlook or whatever. So anyways, let's take a look at some other sectors right now, just to give you guys a little bit of a recap. Let's see what the major indices are doing. 79 Wild, what's up? Ugh. Dropping fast. 12% in T1BC. Sell quick or hold till the market picks up. My 5 cents. So I feel like yes, with interest rates, the market will slow a bit, but it's okay because I'm looking to buy in Toronto in the next year. I'm looking to buy a condo in Toronto in the next year. So I'm okay with a little bit of a correction. I know. About that Cam Batley interview. I'm so sad, guys. I was 1 day early. My Midas Letter interview was a day before Cam Batley's. I really wish that I was there to meet Cam. So sad. But I met the CEO of Emblem Corp, and I didn't even know about the company, and he asked me if I heard about the company, and I was like, no, like, where are you guys out of? It was kind of funny. And then I told him that I'd follow his stock, so we're following Emblem Corp now. Okay, so we're seeing the Dow, S&P, and the Nasdaq barely up 1%. S&P TSX up 0.5%. Another thing I wanted to talk about was crude oil and how badly it's getting slammed. He always does product placement on Midas. Yep, shout out to Midas Letter. Can't wait to be on the show again, James. Okay, so look at crude oil, guys. This is a disaster. This is another reason why the Fed should not be raising interest rates. What do you think affects inflation? Maybe the price of oil. We're seeing oil tank down to $47.99 just as of now. Oil's been getting absolutely killed. And what do you guys think is going to happen to inflation over the next 3 to 6 months if oil stays at below 50? The Fed's going to look like ridiculous. So that's something else I wanted to bring to attention. I think ACB has a deal with a big company that just ain't saying anything because until CBDs are legal in the U.S., oil will hit $40. I'm at work taking a quick break to hit the sour diesel cart pen. BRB. I think so too, Steven, unfortunately. What's going on, Steven? You were just talking about NBEV and how it was trading like crazy today. So we can take a look at the one-day chart right now. Are you trading NBEV, Steven? Yep, close to Toyota plant. My house doubled in value, but the market, real estate stocks is getting bearishly scary. I think so. Anybody new to the stream, guys? Toss me a like. I appreciate it. I see 80 people and only 33 likes. Why do Feds raise interest rates? What's the purpose of raising it? I said $45 on oil 3 months ago. So they raise interest rates to cool inflation, to keep everything, stable. But right now we're going to see a drastic drop in inflation. And the job market is a lagging indicator of the economy. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. I think raising interest rates at this point, not good. But yeah, that's true. More money for them. Although the yield curve is inverting. Let's take a look at the US 10-year yield. One sec, guys. No, go away. 10-year. US 10-year. Less money for us stock traders and investors. Hello, Mark. If you're new to the stream, what's going on? The US 10-year yield continues to drop. So investors are buying heavily into bonds, further inverting the yield curve. There are a lot of reasons why oil is tanking. Why do you think the main reason is? I think the main reason oil is tanking, definitely one of the reasons, is the fear of slowing global growth, slowing demand, and just uncertainty. Do we know if blockchain is back or we missed the ship? Let's take a look at cryptocurrencies. Is it another dead cat bounce? That's my question. We're seeing cryptos up today, but it's so tough. Trump and Russia and the Saudis flooded the market with oil. That is very true. U.S. production hit an all-time high this year, and it should continue, I believe, because we will have oceans of oil in shale is why oil is lower. Yes, that is very true. Supply is like crazy right now. It sucks for Canada too. Our oil industry's so weak right now. Good morning, all. What's the big news, Papa? Rock out. The big news was that Trump is pressuring the Fed about interest rates, And it's really going to be interesting to see what exactly happens on the stock market. So it's almost like everybody's hating on Jerome Powell right now because he wants to raise interest rates. I want to make a meme. I want to make a meme out of this, guys. What should I say? Canada's oil is garbage. No one wants that. I got banned from a forum because I was giving the moderator for bag holding his Bitcoin when he could have cashed out at 20K. What's up, Michael? What's up? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. No Santa Claus. Santa Claus ain't coming this year. The Grinch is dropping coal. And Mexico is ramping up oil too. It's like everybody wants to produce oil. So we'll see what happens. Aphria making a little bit of a bounce back. Are you talking about TradingView and poop? David Tran. What's going on, David? Is ACB a buy? So I don't give stock advice. This is purely educational and information and entertainment purposes only. But of course we like ACB. ACB is still our biggest position. I still like ACB versus Canopy. And that's all I'm going to say about ACB. We cover the stock a lot. Still waiting for POTUS to sign the Farm Bill. Hopefully by the end of the week. That would be great. Oh, man. Yeah, Aphria is holding on to that $7 though. Since it dipped to 480. We'll see what happens. I wouldn't add to my position right now, but we're holding ACB and not selling any of it. That's what I would do. But I'm in it for the long term. No worries, no worries. You're welcome for the shout out. Hit that like button. Anyways, yeah, in terms of ACB, I just want to hold on to the stock. I mean, take profit if it goes back up into the double digits, mid double digits, but that will take CVSI. Have more potential at the current price points. Does ACB or Aphria have more potential? I think a lot of these stocks have more potential at the current price points. Some of these stocks are at 52-week lows. I mean, how much better can it get in terms of buying? But the problem is, with the market, the stocks were so hyped up and then they were shorted so heavily that so many people who bought into these stocks are actually down on these stocks. This could potentially be like one of the best times to buy these stocks, but it's just, it sucks because anyone who was in the industry since last year, you know, a lot of us are down on our positions. So it's a waiting game. It's kind of like, how long can you guys hold out until the industry, you know, starts to show profits? But I feel like the good companies versus the mediocre companies versus the bad companies are really gonna diverge. So we're going to see the winners win, the losers lose, and the mediocre ones just kind of do whatever. So it's patience. Investing is about patience and research and sometimes luck, because you never know. Sometimes it's luck. I mean, look what happened to Aphria. Could be a great company. Right, so I don't know, that's just, well, Aphria was under a short attack, but sometimes good companies get attacked by short sellers. I don't know, it's just, there's so many different things in the investing world. Wayland AGM Thursday, wonder if management will show up in limos. Patience with ACB is really tough, I know. New York says legalize, another big market, that is true. What do you think about Hemp Inc? I think Hemp Inc is going to continue to go up, just because of the Farm Bill. Could be overhyped. You know what, let's take a look at hemp. Let's take a look at hemp. How long term am I on ACB? I'd say 3 to 5 years. It'll really depend on the stock price. I mean, if we like double or triple, I'll be really excited. I'll be really tempted to take some profit. But I really do think that the big cannabis stocks will eventually, they'll capitalize on the growth in the market. They'll establish themselves if, you know, unless the US legalizes like ASAP and then heavy competition and then they start to eat up market share. But I don't know. I think that the longer it takes for the US to legalize, then we're going to have our companies are going to like cement themselves in the industry. So, but the good ones are going to be the ones that are globally diversified because you can't bet on the Canadian market alone. Double or triple now. What's your average? What's my average? How do you feel about Aurora buying high tide? Hey, Marty's in the house. What up, Marty? Bought ACB so many times. I'd have to check the average, and it's in a bunch of different portfolios too. We were buying when it was at 5. We're buying when it was at 9. Bought most of it around 5, 6, 7. So obviously you guys know. Oh, and bought a bunch at 2. So if we want to factor that into account, I don't know exactly, guys, because I've traded it so many times, and the average in my portfolio might be like 6 or 7, but we were buying ACB at $2 also. So take it all together, might be looking at $4 or $5. I don't know. ACBT got an FSE will be big in one day. If not, I'm driving my Harley through the plant and running the seed. Yes, double or triple its current value. I would say 20 or more. So I'm comfortable with putting a high price target on it 3 to 5 years from now. But I mean, if you guys, even the Motley Fool put out an article, we're going to release a video, me and Investing Hustler. I'll release it either today or tomorrow about how ACB could potentially go to $20 or $30. That's like the mid-range price target in 3 to 5 years. I believe it was by 2022. If half of everything goes according to plan. So we'll see. Thoughts on Canopy? Canopy, one sec. Hi, what do you think of Cali? It's been soaring as of late. Kush bottles, great time to average down. So back to your thoughts on Canopy. I think Canopy is an industry leader. They've got a hoard of cash. They got to put it to use. We got to see how Canopy puts it to use. They've got a great deal with Constellation Brands, and they've got great branding, pretty good production capacity. So Canopy is going to be around. That's for sure. If you want to like bet on the big boys, I would definitely buy ACB, Canopy, and what's my third pick? I'd have to think about that, guys. Because Aphria and Tilray right now, look at the situation we're in. Aphria, you don't know if it's going to get short attacked again, and Tilray's been overvalued for so long. It's finally coming back down to reality. Pick FSD. Kron, Altria deal makes anyone hard. I mean, looks like a red morning for the weed stocks. Everyone is infatuated with ACB. Everyone likes ACB until they invest. Then they have buyer's remorse. Coke wanted so much. So, ACB 100% not only has so many people who just love the company. I'd really love to do a poll or a survey as to why people love ACB so much. But even on YouTube, even on Facebook, you can just see that you can feel the love for ACB. So, that's one good thing. It's not a reason to invest in it, though. I do like what they're up to, though. We're taking a look at hemp. So, since December, we're taking a look. December exploded. Hemp exploded from oh my gosh, 2 cents to 4 cents. So it doubled. Hemp's chart doesn't look too bad though. Looks like we could break out. It's definitely hitting some resistance around 4 cents. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Comments on comments, guys. Comments on comments. I need to answer these. The reason I picked FSC, hydroponic, biggest hydroponic company in the world, correct. ACB's worldwide, no debt, just too many shares. Cannabis is big business, bent on global domination. I love, but I missed the boat from listening to naysayers. Amazing product. Oh yes, Max. I heard ACB products are pretty awesome. I've never tried them yet. But I like the stickers. I like the pictures of all the stickers. ACB because ABC 123, 5 years nostalgia. ACB is like a high maintenance girlfriend. FSD for a near future. ACB cost per gram is way less than $1. That's why I'm getting cheaper. Yeah, ACB definitely lowered their costs this quarter. Very impressive. Any FSD holders, never worry. ACB was 37 cents at one time. ACB's only problem is its highly diluted shares. Other than that, they are doing good. They have a global presence, guys. I agree with that. Dilution has always been an issue. It's always been a concern, although I do feel like they're putting the money to good use. But I don't like dilution, so it's true. I read a funny article today. My phone. Can't read your comments, guys. I want Aphria to be an ex-girlfriend. A lot of people are mad about Aphria. Yeah, it's frustrating. Crude continues to drop, guys. Crude continues to drop down 4.5%. Share with us the funny papa. Okay, let's find this for you guys. How's my camera doing? Someone posted this in a group today. And they ACB, watch this. I read this today and I laughed because ACB to issue 96.6 million in convertible bonds. Someone posted this in a group today, but ACB stands for Asian Commercial Joint Stock Bank. It's not even ACB stock, but they posted it as a joke in a group. And I thought that was just a little bit amusing. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, let's take a look at ACB. Let's take a look, see what's going on for ACB. ACB going from green to red. It's in diapers, so expect these lows. What will happen when 1 to 2 billion sold in Canada? I think we're forgetting about the next quarter rec sales coming up. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. ACB dipping back to the red. Buy the dip? Afraid company blows. Jeez, no hating on ACB. This video has Aurora Cannabis in the title. Candles. No, I don't like that. That's ugly. There we go. Okay, guys. We could test $7 again by the looks of it. ACB looks to be downtrending again. We could test $7. I feel like $7, we have a pretty good support on $7. We bounced off $7 again. We'll see what happens. I would like to see ACB move up and trade between 9 and 10. That would be much more ideal. All right. Let's take a look at some other sectors. Canadian cannabis, nah. Oil and gas. What's new for oil and gas? Meg Energy is being bought by Husky. It's the only stock in the green today. Meg Energy is being bought by Husky for about 8 billion, I think. So there's some news. American is tanking. NBEV down 4.8%. All right, what else we got here? New picks. No. Oil, cryptocurrency, silver miners, precious metal miners. This is what I want to look at. There we go. Perfect. We're seeing the precious metal miners up again. Looking at the American market, Nasdaq going down. So AltaGas. That's one we can talk about. Still hold AltaGas. AltaGas is down again today. What a piece of garbage. So annoying recently. They cut their dividend, the stock soared 10%, and then we sold off throughout the week. Very frustrating. All right, Max, have a good one. Hit the like button on your way out. And go Xmas shopping. That's something I gotta do. Sound like me about T-God. It sounds like a lot of investors about a lot of their stocks in their portfolio these days. Every sector, so many of the sectors, just if they weren't sold earlier, they're getting sold now. So I'll hit the button for you one more time.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
What was I gonna take a look at? What was I gonna take a look at? Oh shoot, I forget, guys. So I appreciate everybody joining my stream. If you guys didn't hit the, oh yeah, you already hit the like button. I get it. You hit the like button, not the naughty button. Peace. Have a good one, Max. I'm wearing this green jacket, guys, but I might have to take it off because it looks like we're going red again. I'm going to get a red jacket. I'm going to get a red jacket with a sad face on it. No, I'm kidding. I can't be that depressing. So what time is it, guys? What time is it? Oh my gosh, it's already been 42 minutes. Nice. I'll go for an hour. I'll go for an hour. Oh, you know what? I streamed on Saturday. Here, I want to show you guys this. So, CN Tower. Let's see if I can find this. Yes. I know, right? What do you anticipate ACB to be at in mid-2019? Treyway. ACB mid-2019? That's going to depend on a lot of things. It's going to depend on the health of the markets, I think. So if the markets can hold up, if we don't drop any further, if recreational sales in this next quarter are good, if the farm bill's passed, if anybody doesn't, or if ACB doesn't buy anything else, any other huge acquisitions or purchases, I think it's going to, a lot of things are going to happen. I think it could be over $10 if the markets recover. We see a January rally. We see good sales next quarter, a good quarter. Hopefully get back up over $10. But it's hard to guess. It's so tough right now. I don't want to make any predictions and then people are like, oh, you suck, you're wrong. Maybe the Fed will have some good news. Did you mean good news? It is all about earnings. Earnings are going to be very interesting to see and very important. So, yep. And how could I forget if we get a beverage deal? If we get some kind of big partnership, I think Aurora will do very well. So guys, anyways, Max, this is something that you might be interested in. Anyone who's in the Toronto area, I'm going to this Cannabis Summit, January 17th. Me, Investing Hustler, my business partner, we've got media passes, so we're going to be in the event, covering the event. I'll probably do a live stream. I'll shoot some videos there. Now, I'm not selling tickets. I'm not getting paid for selling tickets. I'm just telling you guys that we're going to be there. If you guys want to go, tickets are a little pricey, between 150 and 250 bucks, but it's going to be all day. I assume there's going to be food there. It's at the CN Tower in Toronto, and feel free to check it out. Yeah, I know it sucks. Sorry, Billy. No. We should average down now or wait until recession. Oh, that's such a tough one. Dude. I wouldn't advise, I mean, I don't tell anyone to buy stocks, so just, yeah. All I can say is we like ACB. We hold ACB. It's our biggest position. It is a personal choice. You know, my advice in these markets, if I was going to be buying, you know, I would be buying in increments. I wouldn't buy all together. I would buy, wait and see. Set your targets. So set a target. If it goes down to 5, buy more at 5. If it goes to 7, you're neutral. If it goes up to 10, maybe take some profit. Stuff like that. Don't ever, at this, right now in the markets, I would really keep cash on hand just in case things get worse. You never know. It could get much worse. When cash this morning to buy oil bear ETF. If you bought in the morning, Joel, that's a good trade. So anyways, yeah, let's just take a quick look at this event just to show you guys. Anybody who's over 19, I'm over 19. Me and Investing Hustler, my business partner, are going to be going to this. So, what is it? Find out everything you need to know about Canada's emerging cannabis industry. 90 days into legalization. Network with peers in the tourism, CPG, alcohol, entertainment, lifestyle, and marketing industries. Hear from industry insiders about activating cannabis brands. Experiential, what? I can't even read, guys. I'm sorry. Compliance, tourism, and more. What is it? A marketing leadership summit highlighting trailblazing brands in the cannabis space. A highly interactive and inspirational day. Where's the free weed though? What do you get for 250 bucks? Let's see. Great idea. Buy in increments. Yeah, I think so, Mark. I mean, there's nothing like being a new investor, putting all your money in all at once, and then it goes down like 25%, and you're just like, oh, that's great. You're just so excited to get all your money into the market. And then what happens? You're stuck. But yeah, sometimes that's how it goes. Anyways, guys, I'm just taking a look at this. There's so many different cool cannabis events. Like, what is this? 25 bucks? There we go. My phone's gonna die. Sorry, guys. Give me a moment. If the market crashes hard, do you think ACB could have overextended themselves? I got into this for day trading. Now I'm stuck till it goes green. That happens sometimes. It sucks when you're day trading and then you're stuck in a position. I think the MJ sector is quite oversold right now, but it was hyped up, so there's a reason for that. I average down when end result will help me average down $3 to $4, or it's not worth it. Just average down 50 cents or $1 in this bear market. Yeah, I agree. Hell of a learning curve. I'm stuck. Damn FOMO. Yeah, it happens. You make a little bit of money when you're a new investor. You get a little greedy, and then you're just like, keep it in the market. Let's buy. And then it's like, oh no, when the market tanks like this. So, by the way, I can grow better weed than better than their, yeah, I'm not going to say anything. Who knows if those allegations are true. All right. Forget this. What is this? Max, we both holding until at least second quarter. Shout out to Doc. Doc? Like my buddy? Doc? Anybody average down in Australis? Man, Australis. Australis capital. 72 cents. My cell? Oh. Nice pick, Glenn. Man, look at the hair on you. Can I show the viewers? Can I show the viewers your pick? Sure. Okay. Guys, take a look at Max Power in his 20s. What a photo. You look like a rock star. That's hilarious. Okay. Down 50% and lost big on Aphria. Oh man, I hear ya. The 80s were tough. Jeez. I looked like the singer from Metallica. That's what I was going for. Hey, I'm sure, you know, like back then, that's what the girls were going for too. One sec, guys. Just gotta check my messages. Wait a second. Okay, perfect. Yes, I don't have to go to the bank today. So happy. Looking like a real weed smoker. You look like James from one music video. PSP. Coming in with the bearish comments. What's up? Okay, back to the chat. Sorry guys, we're back. Wait. Okay. There we go. Nope. Alright. All aboard. Cannabis will be a multi-billion-dollar biz yearly. Anyone going on vacation soon? Yes. Yes, I am. Going to Antigua and Barbuda. Gonna be shooting this show from there. It's gonna be fun. I want to see what kind of seafood they got. Yeah, that's true. Is anybody else going on vacation anytime soon? Yes, no, maybe so. Alright, let's change this up a bit. Nah, I don't want to look at oil. Nah. Here we go. Alrighty. Tilray. Tilray. Whatever, Tilray. Pure Global. Sold lots of his stocks. ACB. Has 1.1 million in cash. Aphria. Up 5%. Aurora's in the green again, guys. Up 0.1%. What a big day for ACB. What do you think of some of the other smaller companies like Namaste or ICC International Cannabis? Worth a punt? Just did a video on ICC International Cannabis. I think it's really cool. They're in the hemp space. They're in the CBD space. I think that's a little undervalued. Namaste. We still hold Namaste. The stock got killed, and I think that they've got a bright future. Just had my second kid. I'm not going anywhere. Yep. I agree, Alex. What's the number one such to get next year? What do you mean? I'm confused. What do you think of stock THC? Oh man, was watching how this is the first time the market has not had a Santa Claus rally. History says it's always been good though, December. This is crazy. Yep. Maybe it'll come late in the new year. We'll get a January rally or something. That'd be nice. Max is hilarious. Sending me those funny pictures. All right. So what time is it, guys? It's been 56 minutes. Time flies when you're having fun. Thanks for keeping my stream alive, guys. See the Family Guy video? I'll check it out in a second, Max. I just want to talk about this. I just want to... Please do. All right, guys. So let's just recap things. Oh, I've got one more piece of exciting news for anybody tuning in right now. I'm going to be dropping a vlog with Investing Hustler. You guys can check it out. I'm going to post it really soon, actually. You know what, guys? I'm going to post it right after this video. It's my first vlog, basically the day that I went to Toronto to go meet Midas Letter, to go meet Investing Hustler. We shot a fun vlog. I'm going to be posting it real soon, so look for that. Make sure to check it out. I tried to make it funny. I tried to make it, you know, kind of goofy, interesting. So drop me some love on that vlog. I don't know how it's going to do because, you know, it is related to cannabis stocks, but it's not really like, it's just like a lifestyle video. So if you guys want to see like what I'm like when I just like, I'm not on camera, if you guys care at all, then that'd be cool. Just drop me some love on that video. So my first vlog. Thank you, 79 Wild. I appreciate the support. It's high time. Going to IPO soon. That's a very good question. I think so, and we should have some news about High Times soon, but I'm not going to say anything about it yet. Should be today. We'll see, depending. But I'll let the people in control of that give the news first, and then we can tell you guys about it. High Times is interesting, though, for sure, for sure. So like I said, guys, check out my vlog. Actually, you know what? I kind of feel like... Nah, I'm not going to post it when I'm on live. Maybe I should. No. Peace out, Claysay. Thanks for tuning in. Whoa, what's going on here? What's my opinion on day trading? I think you can make a lot of money, but like you got to be a good day trader. I'm more of a swing trader, but I do like to like just buy and hold, so it's hard to say. Everybody has their strategy. If you have a strategy that works for you, then by all means, you can definitely make money. So guys, we're going to wrap this up at an hour. Any other comments? Lyft, Uber, and Pinterest all IPO next year. Going to buy all of those. And do you know their IPO release dates or prices? Day trading requires a huge capital, 500 shares a trade. Yeah, day trading requires a lot of capital, that's for sure. You need money. It takes money to make money. What's up, Pamela? If you're new to the stream, guys. Anybody new to the stream, hit the like button. I'll keep this going for another couple minutes. I was right about Tilray from the start. Yeah, I called it. You're the man. Come to Vancouver. I've been to Vancouver like 3 times on a layover. Never been to Vancouver outside the airport. It's so sad. So sad. Because I used to live in China and I always would connect in Vancouver. And I feel like it's a beautiful city. I should check it out. What about the electrical car market? Thought about investing in the raw materials to make EV batteries? Yep. So we invest in cobalt miners, lithium miners, but that whole market's down too. It's crazy. Tip for day trading: buy low, sell high. That's funny. That's funny. Yeah. So, anyways, guys, drop me a few more comments. Anything, Lyft, Uber, Pinterest. I'm not sure when the IPO, but I'm gonna wrap up this stream soon. So if anybody else has anything to say or want to ask me questions, let me know. I'll give you guys a couple more minutes, as we've just hit 1 hour on the live stream. What? Did Trump sign the farm bill? No, he didn't. We're still waiting on that. Where are you from, Aaron? I'm from Canada. But you mean like where's my parents from? Buy and tell everyone you're actually in a long position. Do you think the farm bill passing is baked into hemp stock prices? I think quite a bit of it is. I think quite a bit of it could be. Definitely, because we saw anticipation. We saw the stocks run up. So hopefully it's not buy the rumor, sell the news. I'm very close to Toronto. Waterloo region. Stay away from option stocks. Max too short. Yeah, no problem. Bro, listen, Aaron and I won't tell you where we live. Where are you from, Ramdat? I'm out, guys. Back to work. Yep. I'm bouncing soon too. I got a bunch of emails to send. I gotta drop that vlog. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up, but anybody tuning in about 15 minutes, around 12 o'clock, I'm gonna drop this vlog, me and Investing Hustler. So check it out, please. I appreciate it. Don't worry, I'm just a stalker. Okay, no worries. Just a stalker, no worries. Check out my vlog video. It's my first vlog, and I'm excited to drop it. I didn't put a lot into it, but it was fun. It was fun to shoot. So check out the vlog. It's gonna be dropping in 15 minutes. So I gotta do it up now, guys. So anyways, thank you, Mark. I appreciate it. So anyways, guys, I'm out of here. Drop me some likes before you go. Let's get this live stream to 60 likes. So toss me a like, guys, and I'm out of here. Peace.